Linking Jira with GitHub integrates your issue tracking with version control, enhancing collaboration and visibility across development and project management. Here's how to link Jira with GitHub. Install the GitHub integration. For Jira Cloud, go to the Jira Cloud Marketplace and search for the GitHub app. Install the GitHub for Jira app, which allows integration between Jira and GitHub repositories. For Jira Server or Data Center, visit the Atlassian Marketplace, search for GitHub for Jira or similar add-ons, and follow the installation instructions. Configure the integration. After installation, go to Jira Settings, Apps, Manage Apps. Locate the GitHub integration app and click on Configure. You will need to authenticate with your GitHub account. Follow the prompts to connect your GitHub account to Jira. Connect GitHub repositories. Once authenticated, configure the repositories you want to link. Select the GitHub repositories that you want to integrate with Jira. Link Jira issues to GitHub commits. In GitHub, use Jira issue keys in your commit messages or pull requests. For example, include a commit message like fixes ABC123 to link the commit to the Jira issue. Jira will automatically display commit details, branches, and pull requests related to the issue. Verify integration. Check Jira to ensure commits and pull requests from GitHub are appearing in the related issues. This integration provides a seamless view of development activity and project progress.